Hello boys and girls, this is Revit Magic and Tricks. On this tutorial we are gonna talk about how to create some specific shape of the stairs. Okay, for this tutorial we are create a simple L-shaped stairs. If you don't know how to create a stair or how to add them, you have the link in the upper right corner, or if you watch this on mobile device, just click on the video and find this icon. Okay, how we can edit these stairs if we want some specific shape of them and if we want some classic architecture. Go to the level 1 and click on the stairs and then go to the edit stairs. Now you can see we have here a 2 run and 1 landing for that stair. If I click on this run, you can see here we have this convert to sketch based tool. Just click on that. And now you can see here, Revit says converting an automatic landing or a run component to a custom sketch-based component is irreversible. You can edit the sketch of a custom component. Just go to close. And now you can see we are convert that run. You can see here we now have this edit sketch tool. Click on that, and now we can draw the shape of this run. Here we have a free element for that. We have the boundary that is this green line. We have the razor that is this black line, and we have a stair path that is this dark blue line. Now just go here and this razor extend a little bit and go here and click the boundary, and now we just create the shape of that side of boundary. Go here to the edit, start edit radius arc, and we draw something like maybe this. Then go here and maybe here and create some arc like this. Now go here to trim extend to corner or go to the shortcut TR, click here and here. You can see now that 2 arcs are joined, and then go here. You can see the fillet arc. Click that and just click on this arc and this arc, and now we have this automatic fillet for that 2 arcs. Just go here and click, and now we have this nice path of this curve. Select this free curve and then go here to mirror pick axis, or just go to the shortcut MM and click this line. Now we have the mirror of that free curves. Click on this boundary and this and just delete them. Go to the TR, click on this curve and this line to join that, and then go here to trim extend multiply elements. Click here, click this 1 curve and just drag this all of these lines, and now you can see that lines are extend to this curve. Then go here, you have a trim extend a single line, single element. Click here and click on this line, click on this arc and this line, and also do on the other side. Okay, now just go here to the finish edit mode and we go here to the 3D and you can see our new run. You can also see this Revit automatic landing is now have a different shape. We click on that, go to the level 1, and for that landing we also want to convert to sketch-based landing. Just click here, close, go here to the edit sketch, and now we can sketch this landing, also how we sketch this run. Now we have only two elements for the landing, a boundary and stairs path. We don't have the razor for landing. Just go delete these two lines and these two lines. Go maybe, I don't know, start and end radius, click here and then maybe here and create some arc. Then go to TR, click here and here, then maybe this little bit stretch, and then select these two lines and go to here to mirror peak axis or MM to mirror that. Then go here to the start and end radius arc, go and create some arc for that and go to the finish. Now we have our new shape of landing. Then click here to this run and also go here to convert and then go to the edit sketch. Now for this, I don't know, maybe something like this. Go here and here to create some arc, then create the arc on this curve like this, then go to TR to join these two lines, then go here to the fillet arc and fillet these two arcs, something like this, or maybe just move a little bit this line here and then go here to the fillet and fillet that arc, something like this. Delete this line, go to TR, click on this line and this razor, then delete this, and for this side we just want maybe some new arc, something like maybe this, and then go click here on trim, extend, multiply, then click to the line and drag for all this line, and then also for this side click, drag, and then go here to the trim, extend single element, click here and here, and now just go to the finish, go to finish mode, edit mode, and go to 3D, and you can see now we have this shape of our stairs. If we want to add one more run on this side to have a T shape of the stairs, just go to the level 1, again go to the edit stairs and click to this run, go to MM and just click to this line like axis, and we have the mirror of that run. Go to the OK, and now you can see we have this T shape of that stairs. If we want maybe on this side to have one more landing, go to level 1, again edit stairs, click on that run, go to the edit sketch and just select maybe this razor, go to MV to move something like, I don't know, this, and then go maybe like this, click here, go to the trim and extend, multiply, click here, select this again for another side. This stair path just go and drag to this line, and then we can here maybe create something like, I don't know, maybe something like this, and go here to split element to split this curve, then go to TR to trim this and this, also this, click here, go to MM to mirror that, or we can't mirror because this is not the same curve like this, but we now go here to MV to move this a little bit here, then go, or maybe create the another from here to here, something like this, then go to the split, here to the split element, click here, TR to trim that, and now just go here to OK. Then go to again to finish edit mode, and now you can see our new shape of the stairs. If we have some problem like this, rails, you can see the railing is gonna out of these stairs. Just click on that railing and go to the offset from path and go something like -60. Okay, and you can see now the railing is in that boundary of our stairs. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe. It means a lot to me to keep making videos like this. Go to Facebook and Instagram page, follow that, and see you next time.